Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is Blender 5.1. Look at this cube. It is just one single mesh, but you can see within the cube, each of the faces, I apply different color texture. Each of different faces of the same cube, the same mesh, it have different material color, it have different base color, it have different material. How to make this? In this tutorial, I am going to show you all the details step by step. Let's go. Alright, this is the GUI of Blender 5.1. At the beginning, it is only show the viewport shading solids. The first step, you need to change to viewport shading material preview. And now you can see the default cube, it is white color. There's no material texture yet. So you have to go to the material tab and you should be able to see the base color. The base color is white color. So by default, actually, for any of the 3D mesh, it have nothing. If you just remove it, it have nothing. I just remove it. So you have to click plus new to add a new material. The base color, you can just change it to any color. You can see the whole 3D mesh. Now I change it to green color, the whole 3D mesh will show green color. Then what about if at different faces you want to show different color? This is a cube, there are 6 faces. If each of the faces I want it to have different color, different material, what to do? I will show you all the step by step. Let's say the first material 001, I can just click and double click it to just name it as green. Then I can just add another new material. Just plus new material, the base color, I change it to red. And then I'm going to apply on one of the faces of this cube. I click and select the cube. I go to the edit mode. At the edit mode here, beside the edit mode, I have the select mode. You have the select mode vertex, select mode edge, and also the select mode face. I will just choose the select mode face so that I can select any of the faces. So first I click one of the face and then I click the material 001. This is the red. I double click it to name the material 001 to become red. Now I have two material. One is green, one is red. I selected one of the faces of the cube. Then I click the red material. Then I click assign to assign active material slot to the selection. Now you can see this face already changed to become the red color. So that means this is just a single mesh, but within the single mesh, I apply different material in different faces. On different faces, I can assign different material. Let's say now I click the third faces. I click plus to add a new material. Then I click plus new. I select the base color. I make it blue. Then I rename the material to become blue. I click assign. So now you can see it already assigned at the third faces. It is really easy. Within the same meshes, I apply it. So now I can just back to the object mode. You can see the cube is just a single mesh. At different face, it have different color. Because of at different face, I apply different material just now in edit mode. Now in the material tab, I can see 3 materials: the green, the red, the blue. It is really easy. Right, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to apply different color material textures, any of the texture colors on any 3D mesh in Blender 5.1, apply it on any faces, even at the same mesh, different faces, apply different texture colors, different material colors at the same mesh. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials about the material texture on different colors. at the same mesh. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you.